guys, so I'm here today to do an update for you about where I've been, what's been going on. I haven't filmed for over a month. A lot has happened. You know, I launched Pull Me by Lyric. Shout out to all my girls who have purchased. Supporting your girl means a lot to me. We've had orders as far as Africa, you guys. Furry, haha, and France. Bruh. So thank you so much for the support launching that. If you follow me on, okay, so I have 3 Instagrams, right? Because what happened is that I have to separate everything. So you have Pull Me by Lyric, which is my product line. Then I have Jamaican Makeup Artist, which is my my train of thought, which is my makeup. Yeah, that's what I keep for all my professional makeup, right? So like when I have clients, so my Jamaican Makeup Artist page is specifically dedicated to the makeup arm of Lyric Rochester, and then Lyric Rochester is me and everything is underneath it. I hope that makes sense. So on Lyric Rochester, I won't be posting any more makeup pictures like before and afters on my Lyric Rochester page. That will be going to my Jamaican Makeup Artist page, and of course my product line is an entity all by itself, so that will have its own posts about the brushes, lashes, deals, giveaways, and newsletters and stuff like that. What else do I have to say? Oh, why I have not been filming? I haven't been filming because I had gotten really depressed about my skin, and every time I put makeup on my skin, I just didn't want it on my face. I wanted to deal with my skin first before I did any YouTube videos. And as you can see, my first video is not me doing a makeup tutorial. It's just me talking to you because my skin is not where it's supposed to be. It has gotten so much better, but it's not like tip-top shape. Like, girl, yes, boo boo, what did you use, baby? What did you use, honey? No, it's not like, talk about that promo though. Do you see that my lashes and my brushes? Yo, it's all about promo, y'all, all about promos. But yeah, we'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, I want my skin to be good looking for you guys. And not for you guys, for me. Because I want to get to the point where I don't have to have makeup. Because now I have my baby and I just love holding him and kissing him, and I love touching my face. And I hate having on makeup when he's touching my face. So I want to be able to go without makeup. And I know it's possible, and I know I'm insecure, but allow me to deal with that. Allow me to feel comfortable with my skin, you know. So yeah, that's why I have not been filming. Plus there's something wrong with my lens that I'm currently using. I'm using the Canon T3i with the kit lens. I need to purchase a new lens because this one is sticking. The camera has fallen one too many times, and when I try to do certain functions, it's just not happening. So instead of buying a new camera, I'm just going to get a lens and then see, hopefully, you know, that it works. Just hoping that it works. What else? Why I haven't been filming? Yeah, that's basically it. I have content. I'm coming back though with a whole new look for my Jamaican Makeup Artist channel. I've been vlogging too, so if you haven't been following my vlog channel, which is very uncut, y'all are missing out. But yeah, so on this channel I want to have something like a Tech Tuesdays, something like that. They can give me a better name, because I'm sure Tech Tuesdays or Techie Tuesdays have been taken or it's been used. So I want something that's specific, that speaks specifically to electronics and technology, and that's where I'll put, like, you know, what's on my phone, the camera I'm using, my lighting setup, how I edit my videos, or I used to edit, like stuff like that will go under that topic. And I want to have specific filming days, not filming days, uploading days, video days. So I can upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or every Tuesday and Thursday, or every Saturday, Wednesday, Friday, you know. So I want to have specific days. So that will be coming as well. And I want to go a little bit further than just makeup. I want to do a makeup room tour because I have my very own makeup room now. Very excited about that. The lighting I use, I thought I really want the ring light, and I linked, same thing here in Jamaica. Maybe link some more Love TV here on YouTube about the Diva ring light, and then she gave me a link, and then I started researching and I saw that there was another ring light called the Newer ring light, and I really want that one or the Diva one, either one. But for now I want to keep on working with lightings I have now, but that's what I want eventually for the future, because I just like, it looks, to me it looks so much better. I feel like I'm not centered. because that pink thing shouldn't be showing, because I have another pink thing over there. So if it's showing, then I know the pink thing is okay. Good. Yeah. And I've been seeing this. Well, I haven't been seeing it a lot, but a lot of people are speculating why I'm no longer wearing my wedding ring. A lot of people are speculating. I'm getting news being told to me. I'm seeing stuff on social media. I'm like, you guys, I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's so joyous. I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know, but the reason why I'm no longer wearing my wedding ring is because it can't fit no more. Guys, I haven't been wearing my wedding ring since I was pregnant. My thing, my ring stop yes and then it now go down no more. And if you know me, I wore my wedding ring in everything. And when I pose and my ring is like bam in the picture. But it can't fit me anymore. It can't. It just can't. It can't. That being said, I have been on this kick right here. This may look familiar to some of you, this may not look familiar to some of you. This is called the ISO tea. It's from the brand called Total Life Changes. Now I am signed up as a Total Life Changes rep, and I'm going to do a separate video about that, how you can earn from Total Life Changes, but I just want to save that for later until I figure everything out. But for now, I've been drinking this tea. It says you lose a pound, 5 pounds in 5 days, which means you lose a pound a day. Now it has specific instructions at the back what you should do, how you should make the tea, how it should sit, all of that junk. And it seems as if it should only be had cold. You can't reheat it or put it in the microwave, not like that. I have not been drinking this tea how I'm supposed to. I just drink whenever I'm thirsty, with food, if I feel like it. If I feel a little bit hungry, peckish, I'll have it. And if you follow me on my vlog channel, you've seen that I've lost, either 4 or 5 pounds now. But I've lost it in 7 days, not 5. And I didn't do the tea for a day and a half, I believe. So I have not been drinking it properly. I haven't been drinking it how I'm supposed to. How often I'm supposed to be drinking it. I haven't been drinking it for the recommended times that I've been drinking it, and I still lost weight. Now if you don't believe me, that's fine. I'm not beg if you believe me, but I'm not gonna know. So part of me getting the wedding ring back on is losing the weight. My weight jumped up to 195 and I'm currently at 190. And I've been drinking the tea like for I think 7 days. Didn't drink it a day and a half, and it has worked. And I feel happy because I never want to be something where it's just a fad and it just them sign up, them take money, and it just not gonna work. And the beauty about, by the way, Jazzy Jujubee got me onto this, and the beauty about Total Life Changes that I don't have to do no big sign up or invest in this amount. All I did was literally purchase the tea. Oh, and let me show what else I have. So I purchased the tea and the Exfolia Enzyme Face Polish. It's pumpkin enzyme, grapeseed, pomegranate, Ganoderma, and the green tea, and it's 2 ounces. So I purchased this, and I think 4 pack of this. With this pack, each 2 tea bags come in each pack, and I have 2 tea bags left. And I purchased this. Now this gave me a reaction. I have sensitive skin, found that out probably a couple months ago now, and this gave me a reaction. It made my face really sensitive, it made it really itchy, and fine bumps came up on my face. So I used this once and I'm like, okay, that's it, not using this again. Yes, so I purchased 4 pack of this and this. I think it's a plastic container, but I really think I waste my money buying this, because what Jazzy said, you know, get this and the NutriBurst. I'm like, I was wanting to take care of my skin, so I bought this and this. And I'm saying I should have got the NutriBurst. That's what I should have done. And that's all I had to do. So even if you just purchased like 1 pack, and I think it's must be $40 or something like so, or $20, I can't remember. If you purchase just this pack, you can easily sign up to earn. So the link, whenever you purchase through my link, though, I do earn a percentage of it. And so it's totallifechanges.com/Lyric Rochester. So that's totallifechanges.com/Lyric Rochester. When you purchase through my site, you earn, and also I leave some more information in the description bar below, because in order for your purchase to go through, you need my reference number or sales rep number, or some number that you need, and I leave that in the description bar below if it is that you want to purchase. What else? Call Me by Lyric. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the mad love. Thank you for the posts, the tags. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. And if you're following me on Periscope, yo, I have to shout out all my Periscope girls. I'm going to find the app. I have to shout out all my Periscope girls. This is what Periscope looks like. This one right here. This is what it looks like. And I'm Rochester on Periscope. I love you guys over there. I love the support, and that's what I've been Snapchatting and I've been Periscoping. That's what I've been doing since wanted to hide us from YouTube. What else? I got my YouTuber plaque, you guys. So I got my 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque, and it says YouTube Jamaican makeup artist, congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. And I'm just so relieved and grateful, because being a Jamaican, I didn't think I could get this award. Now the thing is, they don't contact you to say, hey, come and collect this, or hey, we're shipping this to you because you have surpassed 100,000 subscribers. You have to request it. So when you get to 100,000, a little bit over 100,000 subscribers, you have to go to your back end on YouTube, and you have to request it. And this took about 3 months to get here. 3 months to get here in Jamaica. 3 months, and it couldn't be sent to Jamaica because when I put in my Jamaica address, there's certain things it wasn't allowed me to put in, so I was sent to the wrong address. I had to contact them. I was like, yo, you sent it to the wrong address. They're like, oh yeah, something was really fishy about the address, so it was sent to my my foreign address. That's what it was sent to. So it was sent to my Miami address, because you guys know how to ship me. So it was sent to that address, and it was sent here to me, and I'm just so grateful. I'm so thankful. I have 140,000 subscribers now, and I could not have done it without you. I am completely grateful for you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking my videos, for sharing. And that's what I want to, when I come back to YouTube, I want to come back with a different, not just makeup tutorials and hair reviews, but I want to expand this channel some more, and of course start vlogging way more on my other channel, on my Lyric Uncut channel. So yeah, I don't know, I don't have anything else. If you have any more questions, I'm going to be doing a second, not a second, I can probably do the Snapchat question and answers probably every week or once a week. And oh, we can call it Snapping Saturdays. Oh my god, where I answer your Snapchats every single week, right? That would be cool. Yeah, that's basically it that I have to say to you guys. I feel out of breath, but I'm grateful for you. 140,000 subscribers. Thank you for the support, thank you for the love, and getting my skin together, losing this baby weight with my tea. Don't forget totallifechange.com/LyricRochester, callmebylyric.com, and everything I said will be linked in the description bar below for you guys. And I don't know what else to say, but just thank you. Your support is epic, and I love you guys, and thank you. Bye guys.